Okay, so this question talks about regarding a cuboid, its volume which is already given. We need to calculate the dimensions. Okay, so this question starts with that length of a cold storage is double its breadth, right? Okay, so length of a cold storage is means equal to, I've already told you, right, is double of its breadth 2 into B, and its height is equal to 3 meter. Okay, so area of four walls means, students, whenever they're saying you area of four walls, what does that mean? It means they are talking about, just wait and watch. Area of four walls means they have left the ceiling and they have left the base, so whatever is left is the area of four walls. Okay, so this is the area of four walls: one, second, third, fourth. These are the four walls. Okay, now I'll tell you, this is the length, this is the breadth, this thing is the breadth, the length. Okay, so sorry, this will be the breadth, because your breadth determines how thick it will be, and this will be the length, it determines how long it will be. Okay, and this will be the height. So how about the area of the first wall? Height into length, correct? Area of four walls is equal to, so the first one will be this one, this wall. So this is length, this is length, this is height. So height into length, correct? Plus the area of this wall. This will be height multiplied by length. Am I correct? No, this is breadth. This is breadth means this is also breadth. This is also breadth. It means that height multiplied by breadth. Height multiplied by breadth plus this. This is height and this is again length. So height into length. Okay, how about this? So this one is breadth and this is height. So B into H. So this is 2 into HL plus 2 HB. Okay, so 2 HB. So I'll take 2H common, L plus B. Students, this is the last time I'm deriving because it is a waste of time deriving every time, right? So area of four walls or the lateral surface area will be 2 into 2H into L plus B. Okay, so now we'll move on to the question. It means that 2H into L plus B, area of its four wall is 108 meter. This will be square, not cube, right? Because this is area, not volume. So this is equal to 108. 2 into height value is 3. 2 into 3 into length plus breadth. Length is equal to 2b na. So I'll substitute, instead of L I'll write 2b plus one more b is there equal to 108, which implies that 6 into, this is 3b, 6 into 3b is equal to 108. So this becomes 18b, 108. You see, students, this b value will be 108 by 18, correct? So that value will give you 18 5 is 90, 18 6 is 108. So it's 6 meter. The breadth is 6 meter. So since L is equal to 2b, L is equal to 2b, and breadth is equal to 6 meter. So length is equal to 2 into 6, which is equal to 12 meter. So length is 12 meter. breadth is 6 meter and height was already given to you 3 meter. So this is your answer. Okay students, so we will move on to the next question now.